What are some of the misunderstandings that you find you're having to either re-educate, or just part of what you do is you're always educating on these points?
Yeah, I think one of the things is people think everything is so static, and we're in a pretty dynamic market. So static in terms of costs, like costs are going to get more expensive. The costs of renovating gets more expensive. If the cost today is more expensive than I would imagine it was 3 or 4 years ago, maybe a lot more expensive. And so what I spend a lot of my time talking to people is saying, what are your felt needs right now? Like, what's going on with your family right now? What do you want to do with your home right now? And is this the right time to do it? Even though we might be right now in an environment where rates are higher than they were in the last couple of years, they're not going to stay static like that. So there's the opportunity for someone to refinance in the future or to restructure that debt, but you're also benefiting from lower costs as it is right now. So I think that's a lot of what I'm educating people. And then what I appreciate about you guys is y'all are going to be able to educate them as well in terms of, hey, here's historically what's going on.